Good morning, students. Hope you all are fit and fine. Take care of yourself and keep on studying and doing all the work. Okay, today I am going to explain you about some containers. What is container? By the word container, I would like to explain you anything in which we collect something. Suppose you are coming to the school, you are bringing your bag, carrying your bag with you, and in the bag there are books, copies, pencil pouch, lunch box. So your bag is also doing the work of a container. In your bag, your pencil pouch is also doing the work of the container, because in that pouch only you keep all your stationery: pencil, eraser, sharpener, scale. And your lunch box is also doing the work of a container, because in lunch box you are bringing lunch, your lunch is packed in that only. Even your water bottle is also a container, because water you carry in that bottle. So today I am going to show you some containers, okay, because this chapter is related to the containers. See, this is a briefcase in which folders are kept. This is also called office briefcase, okay, because you will see here many pouches are made. Here, like envelope, just like folders. Here the leaflets are made. So this is a briefcase in which we keep some documents. See, that was the open part of that briefcase. This is the closed part. Okay. Now see, in the book the picture is given for carrying documents. And what we use for carrying documents? Sometimes we use folder, but when the documents are more than that, we carry a briefcase. Clear to all of you? Now we are going to the next picture. See, this is a bag. Whenever we travel from one place to another place, we have to carry our clothes, our brush, comb, many things are there. A pouch in which money is kept, mobile is. So see, this is a carrying bag, and in this there are many pockets, and we keep all the related things in this only. Suppose in middle chain we are keeping here the clothes. Here we can keep slipper. Here the things which we use every day, suppose soap, brush, paste, isn't it? So these are the bags which is doing the work of a storage when we go from one place to another. Now this is a trolley bag. My dear, this is the modified way of the bag. In this, downside wheels are made, and upside this holding hand is made, and it is easier to carry. If it is heavy also, we can slide it very easily. Now here for carrying things, and for carrying things what we use? Bag. Even your school bag is also a bag. Isn't it? Now comes the next. This is a dustbin, which you can see in the public places. And my dear, you can see here is written wet waste, and here is written dry waste. And we should follow these things, my dear. Wet we should keep in the wet, and dry we should keep in the dry. Then only we can keep our surroundings clean. Now I am showing you the different dustbins. See, here you have to touch with the hand. If you will press here with your leg, this lid will open and you can dump the garbage inside it. Usually this you can see in the mall or at home. Now see this dustbin. This is open dustbin. In your school you get this type of dustbin, because there is no wet garbage, only you are having dry garbage, pencil shells, some paper. That's why this open dustbin is kept there. Now see, this type of dustbin usually you will see in each and every home. Two I have brought here because one is used for dry and one is used for wet. Then it is easier for the person to dump it. Now see, to deposit rubbish, and what we use? Dustbin, isn't it? Now we will come to the next picture. See, this is the picture of bowl, glass bowl. We used to serve some ice cream or some fruit salad or that type of thing. This is also a picture of bowl. Now see, to serve soup, not only soup, we can serve ice cream also, some salads also, porridge also, many things are served in the bowl, but the answer is bowl, B-O-W-L. And nowadays there are many fancy bowls are also available in the market. See, this is a bucket, this is a metal bucket, my dear, and you can see many more buckets. See, plastic bucket which is fancy now, the bucket, and that also branded of Milton Company. See, now you will see the bucket and mug of same type, matching. So nowadays everything has been modified and we use the matching things. So these buckets are used to store water, and we keep it in the washroom also. To carry or store water, what we use? Bucket. Next picture I am showing you. See, this is rack. We use different types of rack for different things. Some racks we use to keep clothes also, some rack we use to keep books also, shoe rack also you can see, rack we use for puja also, in which everything of puja is kept. So there are many different types of, here I have only shown the two types of racks, and for holding strong things. And what is this? Rack. And now this is the picture of the can, okay, in which you get the soft drinks. We get soft drinks in this type of can. See, next picture I am showing. This is of Sprite, Fanta, Coca-Cola, Coke. And what are these packets called? These are called can. So for soft drink, an answer will be can. Now I am showing you the next picture related to carton. This is milk carton. There are different type of cartons. Even you can see that fruity you are getting in carton, only small cartons. These are the milk cartons. Now the question is for packing milk. Right now if you will go in the shop, you will get a plastic packet, but in the carton also it is available. Okay, so the answer is carton. Now we will go to the next thing. These envelopes. These are fancy envelopes I have collected for you, because right now everything is, I have told you, modified. We use different types of envelopes also, different types of colorful people also to write letters or invitations. So these are some envelopes in which we keep letter, to enclose a letter, and the answer is envelope. Now next is, these are bottles, my dear. I am having this type of bottle, someone is having this type of, and children usually bring this type of colorful plastic bottles. These bottles are used to carry water when we are going out of the home, means school or somewhere else. Okay, this is also called thermos flask for liquid, and flask. Now next picture I am showing you, and this is the picture of glass. This is metal glass and this is glass, isn't it? Now there are different set of glasses. And why do we use these glasses? To drink water, milk, or any type of drinks also. So for drinking water or milk, what we use? Glass. Now we will go to the next picture, and this is jar. My dear, we used to store in kitchen, you can see many types of jar, and in the modified thing you will see different colorful, different metal, plastic, glass jars. I am showing some more jar to you. See, this is the collection of jar in the kitchen according to the requirement: big jar, small jar, plastic jar, glass jar, metal jar. So for storing food, what we use? Jar. See, these are jug, and we keep water in this. Jug also are found in different metal also, glass also, china, clay also, and recently I have seen clay glass also, clay jug also, my dear. In clay jug, water keeps cool. Water is cool. So for holding and pouring liquids, what we use? Jug. Next I will show you. This is the picture of tray where we keep egg, and in this egg tray you will see the sizes are made oversized so that it can be safe. If you are moving also, it won't shake and the egg won't break. So this is egg tray for keeping and carrying eggs, and we use tray. Tray usually you will see at home, it is plain, but these trays are also called tray only, and it is meant for holding the eggs. And this is the picture of wallet. Usually you will see male members of your family, they are keeping the wallet in which card is also there, some rupees is also there, because right now we are doing the cashless transactions, so credit card, debit card, everything is kept in this type of wallet. And for holding money and plastic cards, what we use? Wallet. Next comes, see, purse. We use while going to school also, we use purse to keep the mobile, Bluetooth, earphone, charger, and some money, key, many things are kept in this. And usually you will see ladies are using this type of purses, fancy purses, for carrying money by women, and this is purse. Now my dear, you will read this chapter, try to understand, and you will complete this. Thank you, dear.